So today there is a doubt of one student from exercise 2.4 question number 10. The question is like, Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. That means there is a person Aman whose age is 3 times of his son. His son says, if we let the son's percentage is x, then Aman's age is 3 times of this x, that means 3x. 10 year ago, he was 5 times. So 10 year ago means before 10 year. So before 10 year, son's age is x minus 10. The percentage is x. We subtract the 10 from son's percentage. And Aman's age is 5 times of his son's age. So Aman's age will be 3x minus 10 because his percentage is 3x. 10 year ago, it's his age is 3x minus 10. So according to the question, 10 year ago, he was 5 times his son's age. So 10 year ago, 3x minus 10, Aman says is 5 times of his son's age. That means x minus 10 का 5 times होगा. Solve करेंगे. 5 into x 5x, 5 into 10 50. So, और solve करेंगे. 5x वेरिएबल्स को सेम साइड में लेना है हमें. वेरिएबल्स को सेम साइड में लेंगे तो 5x जो है वो इस तरफ आ जाएगा, प्लस का माइनस 5x हो जाएगा, एंड माइनस 10 went to the another side, then plus 10. 3x minus 5x minus 2x minus 50 plus 10 is minus 40, minus 2 minus cancel. 2 is in multiplication. If it took another side, it went to dividation. So 340 upon 2, it will be 20. So son's age is 20 years and Aman's age is 3 into 20, that is 60 years. So this is a question of exercise number 2.4. One of the student have doubt in this. Let's start about the chapter number 3, understanding quadrilaterals. Earlier we studied about interior angle, exterior angle, and I told you that draw a diagram of triangle, rectangle, or any quadrilateral, pentagon, and find the exterior angle and find out the sum of those angles. If you done this activity, then you find that the angle sum of all the exterior angles of any type of polygon is 360. So either it is a triangle. If we extend these lines, these are the exterior angles, and sum of these exterior angles is equal to 360. If you make the quadrilateral, any type of quadrilateral can be there. If we extend on one side and we will find the exterior angle like this, you will find that the sum of the angles is 360. If you will go for pentagon, again same thing. If we extend on one side of line segment, these are the exterior angles. If you sum all these exterior angles, it will be 360. So I think you completed this activity. You note down on your notebook and draw some diagrams related to this. Any type of polygon, and find the exterior angles, sum that those exterior angles, you will get the angle sum is 360. That means for any polygon, sum of exterior angle is 360 degree. So any type of polygon is there, the sum of exterior angles is 360 for only convex polygons, not for concave polygons. Already I told you that we will study about convex polygons, not for concave polygons, and for convex polygons the sum of the exterior angles is always 360. Next we have interior angles. Do the same activities on base of this. Let's see about the interior angle. You extended this line, that means it's a straight line. If it is a straight line, its exterior angle, then near about this is a interior angle. So these two angles are called linear angles. Linear angles, that means if two angles are on same line, on same straight line, then these are called the linear angles. And the sum of the linear pair of angles is equal to 180 always. So if we have exterior angle, then we can find the interior angle also. If it is suppose that it is 120 degree, then the angle exterior to it is always 60 degree. We can say that sum of interior angle and exterior angle is always 180 degree, or interior angle plus exterior angle is equal to 180 degree. Always any kind of polygon can be there. So if we draw, this is an exterior angle, this is an interior angle, so sum of this interior and exterior angles is always equal to 180. But the sum of the interior angles of polygons are not always 180. Some of the interior angles, you can do the activity again for this part. Draw a triangle, measure the interior angles and find the sum. You will get one answer. And if you draw any quadrilateral, find the sum of interior angles, measure the interior angles and find the sum them. If you draw the pentagon, calculate the interior angle, find the sum of the interior angle, you will get the sum of interior angles of pentagon. Just you try to solve, complete this activity, and you will find that if we have three side means triangle, then sum of interior angle, आप एक्टिविटी से इसको शो करेंगे. अगेन आई विल चेक दिस एक्टिविटी ऑन योर नोटबुक whether you completed or not. Try to solve this activity and then you will write the answer. If there are three sides, you will get the sum of interior angle is 180 degree. If you have four sides, you will get the sum of the interior angle is 360 degree. If five sides are there, that means pentagon, then you will get the interior angle, sum of the interior angle is 540 degree. If you have six sides, the sum of the interior angle is 720 degree. If you have seven sides, you will get that the sum of the interior angle is 900 degree. So sum of the interior angle are changed. First three sides polygon is there, the sum of the interior angle is 180 degree. Four sides polygon 360 degree. Five sides polygon 540 degree. Six sides polygon 720 degree. Seven sides polygon it is 900 degree. We can find the sum of the interior angles of any type of polygons, and the formula to create this, or to find the sum of the interior angles, is sum of the interior angle of polygon. Again, polygon n side are there. So this is the formula to find the sum of the interior angles of any type of polygon. If we have 3 sides, that means n is equal to 3. 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 into 180, 180. If we have 4 sides, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2 means 2, 2 into 180, 360. If we have 5 sides pentagon, 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 into 180, that is 540 degree. If we have 6 sides, then 6 minus 2, that is 4, 4 into 180, that is 720 degree. If we have 7 sides, then 7 minus 2, 5, 5 into 180, that is 900 degree. By this way, we can find the sum of the interior angles of a polygon. On this base, we have exercise 3.1 and the questions related to these. Question number 1 is, some diagrams are given. You have to find which diagrams are simple curve, simple closed curve, then we have polygon, convex polygon and concave polygon. First of all, simple curve. Simple curve means a curve which is a simple form, or we can say there is not overlapping, or no two diagrams are constructed under this. So in this way, we have, this is a simple curve, this is a simple curve. It's not a simple curve because two diagrams are there, circle or ellipse. Fourth is also not a simple curve. Fifth is a simple curve because it's like if we can draw any curve without lifting our pen, then it can be a simple curve, or and there is no overlapping of any line or any part. So in this case, we have simple curves as 1, 2 and 5, 6 and 7. These 5 are the simple curves. Simple closed curve, as I told that if we start from a point and if we end at that point only, then it is called as a simple closed curve. And simple closed curve means the curve is simple, with that we have closed. All these diagrams are closed diagram. So again, the same part, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7 is a simple closed curve. Polygon have many sides in which all the straight lines makes the angle polygons, or we can say the joining the two points and making a diagram with the straight line segments is called as a polygon. So in this case, we have one polygon and two polygon. It's not a polygon because it's not made up by straight lines. It's also not polygon. These are the two straight lines, but it is a curved part, so it's not polygon. It's also not polygon because this is a curved part. So polygon 1 and 2 are the form of polygons, in which we want to find convex polygon and concave polygon. Convex polygon, if the sum of the interior angles, all the interior angles are less than 180, then it is convex. And if all the interior angles are greater than, or at least one interior angle is greater than 180, then it is called as a concave polygon. So in this case, this is greater than 180. But all these conditions, we have angles less than 180. So the diagram number 2 is the form of convex polygon and concave polygon is first. This is our question number 1. Question number 2 is, how many diagonals does each of the following have? In which we have a convex quadrilateral, a regular hexagon, a triangle. So in all these cases, I told earlier also, number of diagonals in polygons is represented by n into n minus 3 upon 2, where n is the side of the polygon. Here we have convex quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means having 4 sides. N is equal to 4. If I put n is equal to 4 in this case, 4 into 4 minus 3 upon 2, that is 4 into 1 upon 2, that is 2. If we have regular hexagon, that means n equals to 6. If I put 6, then 6 into 6 minus 3 upon 2, that is 6 into 3 upon 2, 18 upon 2, that is 9. If there is a triangle, then triangle have n equals to 3. So 3 into 3 minus 3 upon 2, 3 minus 3 is 0. 0 multiply and divide by anything is converts in 0, so it's equals to 0. So quadrilateral have 2 diagonals. Regular hexagon has 9 diagonals, and triangle doesn't have any diagonal. Diagonal definition was joining 2 points not conjugative is called diagonal in a polygon. Question number 3 is, what is the sum of the measures of the angles? Measures of the angles, it can be interior angle, it can be exterior angle. We will consider about the interior angles. So what is the sum of the measures of the angles? जब भी आपको कोई भी एंगल्स के बारे में बात की जाएगी, हम इंटीरियर एंगल्स के बारे में ही कंसिडर करेंगे उसको, जब तक एक्सटीरियर गिवन नहीं होगा. अगर एक्सटीरियर गिवन होगा, देन ओनली वी विल गो फॉर एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स, अदरवाइज दीज आर इंटीरियर एंगल्स. So angles of convex quadrilateral, as I told, convex means if all the interior angles are less than 180, then it is called convex quadrilateral. So the measure of interior angles of convex quadrilateral, I give some activity also on this base earlier. So according to that, we can find the sum of the angles, or we have formula to find the sum of interior angles. Sum of interior angles of polygon, that is n minus 2 into 180 degree. So convex quadrilateral have n is equal to 4. So sum of angles is equal to n4 minus 2 into 180, that is 2 into 180, that is 360. And for further part of this question, if will this property held if quadrilateral is not convex? As I told, if the quadrilateral is not convex, this will not complete it. This formula is not for concave polygons. इसके लिए आप एक डायग्राम ड्रॉ करेंगे, अगेन एक्टिविटी कंप्लीट करेंगे. एक्टिविटी किस फॉर्म में होगी? आप एक कॉनकेव पॉलीगन किस प्रकार से बनेगा? फॉर एग्जांपल, ये हमारे पास कॉनकेव पॉलीगन बन गया. इस कॉनकेव पॉलीगन्स में इंटीरियर एंगल्स, ये इंटीरियर एंगल्स है, इनका सम फाइंड करके देखना. आप पहले आप कंपास प्रोटेक्टर की हेल्प से इन एंगल्स को मेजर करेंगे, एंड देन इनका जो सम है वो फाइंड करेंगे, एंड यू विल फाइंड दैट द सम ऑफ द इंटीरियर एंगल्स ऑफ कॉनकेव क्वाड्रिलेटरल इज नॉट 360. दैट मीन्स दिस प्रॉपर्टी नॉट हेल्प फॉर concave polygons. Try to solve and do this activity in question number 3 itself. Complete this activity in question number 3, and rest parts will complete tomorrow. Thank you.